Overwhelmed by assignments, classes, and deadlines? Transform your student life with our premium Notion Timetable Template, your ultimate tool for staying organized and crushing your studies. Say goodbye to chaotic paper planners and outdated Word documents. Our Notion Timetable Template leverages Notion's powerful, flexible interface to create a visually stunning, easy-to-use schedule tailored for high school and university students. With this template, you'll save hours, reduce stress, and stay laser-focused on your studies. No more missing deadlines or searching for notes. It's designed to streamline your workflow, boost productivity, and make studying feel manageable. Take control of your schedule and unlock your full potential as a student. Ready to level up your student life? Purchase our premium Notion Timetable Template today and start organizing like a pro. Click the link in the description to buy now and take the first step towards stress-free studying. Don't let disorganization hold you back. Invest in our Notion Timetable Template and make your academic life easier, smarter, and more productive.